Hello everyone. Drowsy driving is a serious concern for the health of drivers all across the world. In this work, we present multiple systems and algorithms developed at our lab in IIT Kanpur to predict drowsiness in car drivers. This is the state of the art motion simulator. The purpose of such a simulator is to conduct driver training and driver behavior evaluation. Such a simulator can realistically emulate the driving experience of a range of land, air, and outer space vehicles without eliciting any sickness. So, in our project, we develop a drowsiness detection brain computer interface based on the experience of a drowsy car driver who is driving in a driving simulator. Drowsy driving is a major cause of death in fatal crashes with almost 21% probability of death. So, in our research, we aim to develop drowsiness detection systems while simulating real-world experience of a drowsy car driver. During a driving scenario, several physiological signals including 32 or 64 channel EEG signals can be recorded using sensors or electrodes placed in the driver's head to assess his cognitive state. Recorded multidimensional signals are analyzed using state-of-the-art deep learning techniques to extract informative features and identify a discriminative pattern to estimate the driver's drowsiness. First-person view of the driving simulator can be seen here. Driver drowsiness level estimation through reaction time prediction is a regression problem. Virtual reality driving experiments are conducted on a driving simulator and continuous lane perturbations are introduced and the response time of the driver to the lane perturbation is noted. This reaction time or response time is used to predict the drowsiness level of a driver. Artificial intelligence and state-of-the-art brain-computer interface feature extraction modules like alpha theta power and non-Euclidean methods like Riemannian geometry are employed to predict the reaction time. In this regard, in our lab, we developed several optimal learning algorithms like the HJB method, Lagrangian method, and dual task learning methods for training neural networks to predict reaction time. Also, novel brain-computer interface feature extraction modules like differential phase synchrony representations are well tested. State-of-the-art convolutional neural networks have also been fine-tuned for end-to-end deep learning for reaction time prediction. In this slide, a brief comparison of our methods with an existing baseline is provided. From the plot, we see that a plain backpropagation neural network predicts reaction time with an RMSE of 0.21 seconds, while our learning methods predict with an RMSE as low as 0.14 second. It means that if a driver travels at 100 km per hour, the baseline method error in estimating driving distance is about 6 meters, while for the proposed method, the error in estimated driving distance is only 3.8 meters. The drowsiness detection systems so developed in our lab have also been published in several prestigious IEEE venues. Thank you.